Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Xiaomi Redmi K40. Firstly, go into Play Store on both devices and download an app called Send Anywhere. Then open it. Now you need to click on I accept, then confirm, continue and allow. After that, go with Receive on Xiaomi and Send on an Android. Now tap on all of those dots and choose Send to send all of your files. It will take some time though, so I will only, for example, choose this one photo, click Send and click Got it. From here we have the ways to connect. You can input this password over here and choose Receive, or you can scan QR code. In order to scan the code, tap on the scanning icon over here on Xiaomi, choose while using the app or only this time, and point your device's camera at the code. As you can see, my file was successfully transferred, but if you want to check it out for sure, you can always go into some kind of Files app, in this case File Manager, and click on, in my case, Images. When you click Albums, you can see that Send Anywhere one is over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!